if you're trying to register your NGO in Nigeria, one of the most common routes is, CAC, Incorporated Trustees, or trusteeship, as the case may be. So let me walk you through the step-by-step process, and more importantly, the things that people miss that can cause either delays, rejections, and then, endless back and forth. First, decide your structure clearly. Incorporated trusteeship is typically used for NGOs, foundations, associations, religious bodies, and so on and so forth, including social enterprises, right? Before you start, you need to be sure this is the right vehicle for your mission and your governance style. Next, you choose a clean name and then confirm it is available from, CAC website. This is where many people fail. Your proposed name must not be confusingly similar to an existing organization. So you don't, just hope that it works. Then you go ahead to search the CAC public records. Have two or three alternative names. Prepare your core documents. At minimum, you need a strong constitution that clearly states your aims, governance structure, membership rules, and how decisions are made. Now, what people miss here is that a weak constitution is one of the fastest ways to get delayed, especially when roles, trusteeship rules, and dissolution clauses are not clear. The next step is that you select your trustees carefully. I've done a video on the 7 people or the 7 groups of people that should be on your board of trustees. Maybe I will also make another video to this regard. So select your trustees carefully. This is the major hidden issues. Trustees should be people with credible identities, consistent character and details, and available to provide their documents on request. Now, what people miss in this is this, that if trustees' information is inconsistent, names, dates, signatures, ID, you can get stuck even for weeks. Now, next is that file the application on the CAC portal and pay the required fees. You either do it yourself or you give, there are so many groups of people that provide that service. Now, as you fill the form, double check that every detail you have provided, spellings, addresses, trustees' data are all consistent and correct. After submission, watch for statutory publications on public notice requirements, like publishing in the newspaper dailies and so on and so forth. Then the next thing to do is make sure you respond to queries if they have any, because if they raise any query, instead of arguing emotionally, just make sure you correct the issues, upload the right documents, and then keep your records clean. Finally, in this video, once approved, download and securely store the incorporation documents and immediately set up your governance basics, a functioning board, meeting minutes, financial controls and records, and a compliance folder. This is very important. Now, if you want, I can share a simple checklist you can use before you apply, so you don't have to waste money or time. Just comment CAC checklist and I'll send it to you. See you in the next video.